Okay guys, Colonel Matt here. Today is day 3 of bench work. The purpose of today will be to put in supporting brackets on our bench work, as well as potentially erecting the 5th and 6th sections that go against the front wall. So stick around, we'll show you what we're doing. Okay, so what we're doing here, guys, is we're underneath the bench work. And first we are pre-drilling into our support beam. And then we are screwing our support board into the leg. All the while, did you even check that to see if it were square?
Oh, no. My bad.
It's probably pretty close.
But
You know.
It's close enough.
It's close enough. Okay, we're recording that. Flip that around on me. It's my turn to be a star.
Did you check that one for squareness?
It better be. We squared it up when we put the other side in.
that's gonna sound funny.
So the purpose of this is to help stabilize. Don't you go up on me. That's going to do it no matter what. You win some, you lose some, guys. You win some, you lose some. So what we're doing...
Switch me again. You spin
on the front side, we're simply putting a straight bracket, and it goes all the way down. And then on each end, we're putting a cross brace. And this is going to help prevent the whole thing from shifting left or right. It's already pretty stiff as it is. We're also double checking the levelness, and well, the right angleness is what we're going to call it, of each of the legs as we go down the line.
Two screws.
2 screws? Oh.
It's level, and it's at a 90 degree.
So, after that, we can go with a level and do a basic level. It's not actually mega important that we get it 100,000,000% level there, because we'll be individually leveling the track later. The track will be held up with separate risers. So it's basically to make sure that as we're sitting here, we're not going to get any sort of sway this way or sway this way, which means at a couple places we're likely to put a bracket in sideways from front to back, probably 2 or 3 places along the line for that very reason. And after that, this thing will be strong enough that we can throw little Matt off it and onto it, and break it if you tried. So,
Give me a screw, Mr. Ernst.
well, a screw. We just need the one. So we'll show you that in a little bit as we carry on. Hello. Uh-oh. Go ahead. Okay. And we'll show you more as we go.
Your level is level. The line is good.
Okay, guys, what we're doing right now is we're adjusting the level on the back side.
How's this one look?
Looks good.
And to do so, we're using deadly lasers.
I can see the line. Can we come down on it?
Just a touch. Is it snug?
It's more than snug.
So basically, we have a laser
That's
level that, if we look at it, we have enough light to see the bubbles.
Come down or up?
I think it's good if you can just make it snug.
Yeah. As you can see, we leveled it out there to our satisfaction. And then we shot lasers. It's at about the right height. And so all we have to do now, we can see by how the laser hits exactly what we need to do to raise or lower or whatever.
No, this is not that super critical in this situation, though.
No, but
It's nice to have everything completely level.
it makes it easy.
Yeah.
I mean, it makes
This
it
has to
really
be down a
easy.
little bit, man. It's too high.
Because all we have to do now is look and see where our deadly, deadly lasers are hitting. Blocked it. Well, what we should probably do is once the back everywhere is snug, you think we want to transition to the standard levels to bring it up on the front side? Or do we want to attempt to bring it up till it just taps the laser?
That's a half an inch, isn't it?
Yeah, in places.
Yeah. My thinking is if we get a ball, are you going down back here?
Yeah.
Try to get the end one down because it's really high.
And we can tell it's really high by the way it's hitting the wood there. After we're lasered, we could put cross braces on that fella over there.
Is it?
Because it's not even touching the ground.
And then bring it up.
It's not touching
It's
the
not
ground?
touching the ground.
Okay,
Nice.
Okay, we've adjusted our legs. We're actually just a 1/16 of an inch high, or even a 32nd of an inch high on the front side. But that's really okay for us, as we just want to get this just close enough to matter. So we're in pretty good shape here.
Well, Matt, all you got to do is take a piece of track, car, and see if it rolls.
it ain't gonna roll.
Yeah. Actually, we could actually do that test.
I just drank yours.
Mine's empty. So,
It wasn't sweet tea either. Yeah.
why don't we rig that test up? Okay, as a levelness test of left to right, we're going to see if we can get someone to roll. We're going to call that a no. So, not only that, but all the legs almost are on the ground. I think these need a little bit more adjusting, Matt.
I think they're good.
No, look, those two aren't on the ground.
Okay. I'll get them.
All they gotta do is touch.
It sounds so smooth.
So, next up, cross braces over there.
Which ones?
These two right here. All you gotta do is thread it down. And then we'll bring it over, attach it, and level it out. Okay. As everyone can see, we've got the final part up, attached, leveled, with the initial brackets that'll support our shelving that will go under this one, help keep that rigid. And everything's good all the way down. And very sturdy. So, until our next day of work, this is the whole crew signing out.